so many options. Some people like to sleep cool, we'll say. Some people like a little warm, cozy. So the fibers and the materials that you use for your bedding should definitely support your personal comfort level. And of course, there's the beautiful part of it, the aesthetics. We want to make sure it really looks great. There's a big trend towards natural fibers and bedding, bamboo, tencel, linen. Some people like a smoother satin finish. Some people love the natural wrinkle of a linen, and vice versa. Other people can't stand it. And it's a very personal decision, bedding. You might need to try a number of things before you figure out what works best for you. And it might be seasonal. So in the cold winter, you might love some flannel sheets, but once it gets warmer, you want to switch over to bamboo, which will be a much cooler alternative.